Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by trimming and scoring the chicken so it cooks evenly. This prevents thick centers. Season well with salt, pepper, and paprika and add a little oil so the surface browns. Heat a pan until it's hot, then lay the breasts away from you. This gives a crisp sear. Cook about 4 to 5 minutes per side until the thermometer reads 160 degrees. Once done, rest the chicken 5 minutes to lock juices and make slicing easier. Once the chicken rests, assemble the salad base to balance flavor and texture. Combine peppery greens with crunchy cucumber and sweet tomatoes so each bite varies. Make a simple vinaigrette, olive oil, vinegar, and mustard to bind ingredients. Whisk until emulsified so it clings to leaves. Slice the chicken thin across the grain so it's tender. Adding warm chicken to the salad slightly wilts greens and melds flavors. Make sure you finish by arranging sliced chicken over the dressed greens and adding a few accents like nuts or cheese for richness and contrast. Drizzle a little extra dressing and sprinkle herbs for aroma. This brightens the dish. If the chicken feels dry, don't panic. Shred it and toss with the vinaigrette so the dressing rehydrates the meat, or add a splash of warm broth to restore juiciness. Taste once more. Adjust salt or acid, then serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.